Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I know as a YouTuber you have to have a morning routine video, and I don't think I've had one before now because generally speaking I stumble out of bed, make myself a coffee and just about get my head together before I tackle the day. But I do have a morning routine for when life is a little bit more slow paced, for when I've got my head together, and generally speaking this is my ideal life morning routine. It definitely doesn't happen every day, but when it does, oh, does it feel good.
So first up, I make a smoothie. Usually my go-to mix is frozen berries, oats, water or milk, and plenty of greens. Baby spinach always does the trick. It is pretty delicious and a great way to kick off the day, plus our kids love it. Now, of course, from the moment I wake up, I am spending time with the boys, Noah and Oliver, so it goes without saying that they will be looking for a cup of my smoothie too. And I can promise you that it doesn't look this tidy usually. It's normally absolute carnage and there's smoothie all over the table. I don't know what's going on here. Next up, if I have a little bit of time, I like to do some meal prep for dinner. Today, it's spaghetti bolognese. Again, nothing fancy here, just good, easy food that the boys like, and it's an ideal recipe to pop into lunch boxes and keep in the fridge for easy reheating later. After that, I get stuck into some work. It could be writing my weekly food column, reviewing some upcoming YouTube content, or chatting with my team and replying to emails. And once that's all done, it's time to get into some exercise and keep track of some goals. A big thank you to Noom for sponsoring this video. Noom is a platform that encourages you to get healthy and fit and achieve your goals using psychology and cognitive behavioral therapy practices. I actually use Noom as part of my daily routine to log my meals and track the progress I'm making with my home workouts. One of my favorite things about the program are the daily lessons, which really encourage you to break bad habits and change the way you think about food and keeping healthy for the better. Life has been pretty busy between work and two little boys running around, so being my best self and keeping on track is always helpful, and Noom does help me achieve that. You guys can click the link in the description to take a free Noom evaluation. It's super quick and easy and will help you create your custom plan on the site. Now, I won't lie, I definitely struggle to get the motivation to work out every day or even at all, but when I do, I always find I feel so much better after, and it helps me keep a clear mind. Now, speaking of clear minds, one of the best things I do somewhere throughout the day, whether it's in the morning, noon, or night, is a bit of meditation. It's just a couple of moments where my mind is completely calm, I'm in flow, and I'm not thinking about anything I need to do, and really it's just about switching off. Switching off, of course, until I'm immediately switched back on by the boys, who are usually lurking around the corner ready to attack. Also, in an ideal world, beyond the regular exercise, I love to do a bit of yoga, but as you can see, that doesn't actually always work out.
Well, there you go, guys. That is my, what we'll call, ideal life morning routine. I think, as most people will know, that is not what happens every day. But when I do have time and things are a little bit more calm, that is what I like to try and sprinkle in. Even if I just get like one or two of those things in the morning, I feel good. But yeah, anyway, I'd love to hear your morning routine ideas. A big thank you for watching. Big thank you to Noom for sponsoring. And as always, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. I'd love to know what your morning routine involves. Do you do a bit of cooking? Do you cook breakfast? Yeah, I'd love to know what you guys do, and maybe there's something I might sprinkle into my morning routine. But until then, I will talk to you soon. I'm off to drink my morning coffee and get on with the day. Hey!